All right. Special episode, crossover episode.
Yeah.
It's HONC Out meets Call My Agent
In Las
live
Vegas.
in Las Vegas. It almost feels like it should be like a two-parter,
Maybe.
In what regard?
like a season finale,
Oh my God.
two-part episode,
Hanger.
crossover.
We're gonna make it an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, live from Vegas, Cloudflare Connect.
Yeah.
Not so live, probably.
I was gonna correct you on that, but
It's not
it
live.
Sounds better if you.
Live. Cloudflare Connect. Vegas.
It's a conference.
It's a what have we been up to? We've got a booth.
We joined the hackathon yesterday night.
Yeah, there was a hackathon with
And-
Neon, Assistant UI, Cloudflare.
And we
And
have
we
a
won.
winner.
Yeah. One of several winners.
It's true. Well, a lot of winners. Everybody's a winner.
It's America.
Oh,
Yeah.
there were two main winners, and you were one of the two main winners with the most impactful project. I think we can say that.
Yeah.
What did you cook up? Maybe spoiler.
Spoiler.
Yeah, a little bit. Like
Okay. Yeah. Playing off of the idea that everyone's cooking, I invited Gordon Ramsay to the mix, and I made a Hell's Kitchen for MCP servers. So effectively, it was an agent that you give it the URL to your MCP server, and then it runs in a loop. It lists all of your tools, and then so it's prompted using the best practices for crafting effective tools.
Anthropic article.
Yeah, from an Anthropic article. And then using that knowledge, it would try to, so first it would look at your descriptions, look at your names, and then it would try calling your tools. And it got very creative without me prompting. So it would try to force a validation error and see how does your MCP server respond
to that.
and then it would just it would give very moderated praise and very fierce criticism of anything that was incorrect.
No swearing though.
No swearing. Yeah, you can't make these models swear that easily. But also, it was a family event.
Yeah. Cool. So you won. Great.
Yep.
What shall we talk about? So we got a few things to show.
Yep.
Maybe kick it off with what we've been showing at the booth as well. MCP Gateway.
Oh, MCP Gateway. We're starting with the gateway.
Yeah.
All right. I've got my terminal right here. And as of today, we have OnX at fiberplane/MCP Gateway. Also, we have a fourth guest on the show today. It is a fly that is buzzing by all of us, taking turns. If I do that, it spins up a little terminal UI, which is quite nice.
Nice TUI.
Nice TUI. So what we can do here is we can add a server. Not HTTPS. I'm going to go to localhost /3000/MCP. I've already got an everything server hooked up here. And I'm going to add the server. Okay. And then I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. Maybe spin up the inspector or attach Claude. That's the question. We'll do the inspector. So we'll do bonx at model. I really need an alias for this. Context protocol /inspector.
It's very error prone for typos.
Incredibly. That will launch. Perfect. And once that launches, I can do, so the gateway is on localhost 3333. And what was it? Everything server /MCP. So that was the URL that I got when I attached the gateway. If I connect, we can go over to tools, list a tool. And oh wow, we love the weather. Actually, the weather is nice. So
It's very warm.
It's
Yeah.
very nice, yeah.
I'm actually starting to sweat. And it's not just the Airbnb coffee. Cool. I ran a tool just to get a little proof of life here, as we like to say. And you can see, wow, this fly loves MCP. you can see kind of the activity come to the gateway here. And the kind of lift on top of what we had previously, aside from making it a little prettier, is you can press enter on any of those entries and start inspecting the request response, whatever. So that was a JSON response with the weather in Las Vegas is 90 degrees and sunny. It's actually 20 degrees and sunny.
That feels warmer.
It feels warmer in the sun. But yeah, you can get an idea of what's the tool called, what data did it have, and usually, I think I zoomed in quite a bit for this demo, but you should be able to like command option helps you copy things from the TUI. So yeah, that's a bit what's been happening in
So useful to debug,
yeah,
figure out what's going on.
local interceptor, nice little TUI, and then we got some science experiments in the mix, a little bit related to Gordon Ramsay's cameo at the hackathon last night.
More to come.
More to come. But people can try it out already, right? So
Oh yeah, absolutely. Unless you're on Windows.
who is on Windows?
A lot of people are on Windows, Nella.
I know.
Uh,
Does it work on Linux?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Yeah. Also, I guess I'll shout out this a bit. So slash gives you commands, and that's how you can add and remove. So /m, and if I want to remove this, just click D, click push D.
Nice little command palette.
Yeah, it's very fun. Like TUIs, I was a little skeptical when I thought they were kind of a fad, but like when I navigate around this thing, it feels nice.
Cool.
Yeah.
GitHub.com/fiberplane/MCP-gateway.
Yes, indeed. I could pull it up, but it might be time to talk about MCP-lite.
Yeah. So what do we got cooking for MCP-lite? Nelly, you want to take it away?
I think the biggest change is the ChatGPT or the support for ChatGPT's app SDK. So we lifted something in our library to support that we can build now with MCP-lite also apps on the chat apps SDK. Wow, that's
ChatGPT.
yeah.
OpenAI is terrible at naming things.
Oops, didn't practice this before, but yeah,
ChatGPT app SDK.
Yeah.
ChatGPT app SDK. Yeah.
And we have, I think, a repo. We'll link it in show notes.
Yeah.
What's it? It's not pizza.
It is not pizza.
It's not.
Not pizza on a map.
So MCP-lite is a monorepo. And if you go to the examples, we do have a... Oh, wait. We don't have...
Separate repo.
Right. Because it's not in the examples. Okay, we're going back to the terminal, everybody. We're going to get out of this gateway business. I will just change colors so we know it's something is different. If I'm going to use bun, you can use whatever you want. Bun create MCP-lite at latest.
Which is the second thing we added, is the starter.
I actually forgot.
Yeah.
So ChatGPT app. That's the directory we're going to put it in, and we have a template to get you started with the ChatGPT app SDK. I'm going to say I'm going to work with Cloud Code, and voila.
Nice.
Yep. So I can go ChatGPT app, and might as well just.
And maybe for those who don't know what the Chat GPT apps SDK is, right?
Well, the ChatGPT app SDK is it's a way to put UI widgets, one would say, inside ChatGPT
via an iframe.
Oh yeah,
Iframes are back.
They're back with a vengeance. They never left. Yeah,
And it's powered by MCP.
Yeah. It's like MCP ++. There's it uses MCP with just some conventions around it to make things work. The DX, this is no knock against OpenAI. I think actually what they made is like, this is a step in the right direction. The DX is hard. I don't know how you crack it because when things go wrong, like the hardest part is just getting the initial thing to work, which is why we made the template. A template has some opinions that I think are correct. But effectively, you're building a little bit of JavaScript and you're injecting it into an iframe. And you can do that in one of two ways. You can build a ton of different components and then host them all separately on a server,
Right.
and then pull them into different widgets. Or what we did is we built one component with a router, and then depending on the tool that was called, it kind of routes the appropriate widget.
Yeah, because there's right now, if I understand correctly, there's various flavors on how to deal with the UI of your widget, right? And
Yeah.
how you want to serve that.
Yeah, this is ripe for another framework explosion in JavaScript land. So get ready.
If anybody wants to pick that up,
Yep, that's the ChatGPT RBCK.
nice. Do you have any other updates on MCP-lite?
I think we support grouping now.
Yep.
So
You can group-
besides, like I think we had tools.
Just say genau.
Huh?
Did you just say genau?
No, I think so. I just said. Sorry, it has been a long
the
day.
sun is
yesterday.
getting to us.
I just said genau. Yeah.
This is the only fresh air that we've.
We've gotten in the past 72 hours.
Yeah.
Can we cut that off?
No, absolutely not.
Yeah.
That's the whole.
It stays in.
That's the banter.
Okay.
We'll subtitle it.
We subtitled
Yeah,
it.
for
Okay.
the uninitiated, genau means exactly in German.
Yeah, so grouping of basically servers, like a bunch
Yeah.
of tool calls that are grouped together. Very much inspired by the Hono server grouping, I guess.
Mhm.
And I think we talked about structured outputs last time.
Yep. Also necessary for the ChatGPT SDK. Wait, did you talk about structured outputs tool calls? I don't think
Maybe not, yeah. So for the uninitiated,
So this is the thing that's going to power this is going to make MCP a lot more powerful. You can provide an output schema for your tools. It's very underutilized right now, but all the most exciting stuff is now utilizing it several months after it was put in the spec. What it means is that like your tool typically was just returning what looked like a message to the assistant. But now it can return data in a format that you predetermine, and so that's useful if the output is going somewhere else than immediately to the LLM, right? Or in the case of the ChatGPT app SDK, you can pull out that data and render it in a widget. Yeah.
cool. I think that's kind of it. Anything else to talk about?
I don't think. Well, I mean, we've talked about this on the HONC Out cinematic
Right.
universe, but elicitation.
Yeah.
We cracked elicitation in MCP-lite, and I say cracked because we made it work on Cloudflare workers, which is not possible at present moment with the core library from
The official one.
the official library.
Yeah.
Thank you. I was looking for that word. Yeah.
All right. Stay tuned. Maybe another crossover season finale,
Oh,
part
man.
2.
Maybe we bring the goose next time.
Yeah. Watch this channel. Like and subscribe.
Oh, forgot about that. Yeah, like and subscribe, please.
Yeah. Button.
Yeah, tool call that button.
Oh my God.
Until next time.
Okay.